Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play King of Kings on electric guitar. We'll start by breaking down the main riff, focusing on the correct fretting hand positions and picking patterns. Pay close attention to the rhythm to ensure you capture the song's powerful feel. Then, we'll move on to the verse and chorus chords, discussing smooth transitions between them. Remember to use a metronome for consistent practice. Let's dive into the core of King of Kings. The main riff primarily uses power chords, often played on the lower strings. Ensure your palm muting is precise to get that tight, heavy sound. For the verse, you'll navigate a straightforward progression of a minor, G, C, and F. The chorus then shifts to D minor, a minor, and E, requiring clean chord changes. Focus on making each chord ring out clearly. Achieving the right sound for King of Kings involves a few key techniques. Palm muting is crucial for the rhythmic drive, so practice muting the strings just enough to dampen sustain without killing the note entirely. For tone, a mid-gain overdrive pedal will give you that classic rock crunch. Set your amplifier's bass and treble slightly higher than the mids to get a powerful, yet clear, sound that cuts through. Consistent practice is your best friend for mastering this song. Aim for at least 15 minutes each day, focusing on accuracy and speed. If you're looking to upgrade your gear, a guitar equipped with humbucker pickups will naturally give you a thicker, more powerful tone suitable for this style. And speaking of quality, if you're in the market for durable, comfortable socks, check out Darn Tough. You can find a link to them, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep rocking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.